Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Playable Ad Editor tutorial. In this segment, we'll guide you through the process of adding and configuring overlays for your Playable Ad. Adding overlays is a breeze. Simply find the desired time in the video, and with a click of the Add Overlay button, a new overlay will be created with the current time from the preview. Remember, all times are set in milliseconds. There are two types of overlays. The first type pauses the video, awaiting user interaction. The second type is time-related, disappearing at a specific moment. Enhance your overlays by adding backgrounds. End screens, for instance, can benefit from a black background, a logo, and an animated action button. The background can feature in and out alpha animations. The in animation activates when the overlay appears, while the out animation triggers upon the overlay's disappearance. Try the in animation by setting the background color alpha to 0 and the destination alpha to 0.8. Specify the animation duration here. Change the preview position, and the overlay disappears from view. To continue modifying properties while seeing the changes, use the Show Preview option. It aligns the preview window with the current time, displaying the overlay. Duplicate overlays easily through the menu. A useful tip is to set the time in the preview for a new overlay, then duplicate an existing one. The duplicated overlay inherits its time from the current time in the preview. To remove overlays, click the Remove Overlay menu button. That concludes this tutorial on overlay addition and configuration. In our next video, we'll delve into the fascinating realm of overlay sprites. Stay tuned for more insights.